Okay, so now we're going to learn how to do an extrude. So we're going to go to new and we're going to click on part and then we click OK. Let's just make this full screen. So the first part of trying to make a 3D model is you go to sketch, which is right here, and click in sketch. You're going to see a plane here. And what it basically means is that what plane you want to work off of. If you want to use the top plane, you use bottom up. And then front plane is back to front, and right plane is sideways. So let's say we have top plane and you want to make a box. So you go to the rectangle here and you make a square. Let's click OK. This dimension here, you can use Smart Dimension to dimension your box. So you click on this thing and then it drags out, and then you type in a value. Let's say you want 5, and you can use this for the other side, and let's say you also want 5, and it dimensions the box for you. And after you are satisfied with your sketch, you go to features, and what extrude does is that it extrudes from the plane that you just selected. So let's say you want to dimension this here, and then you type in 5, and you end up, and you click OK, check mark, and you end up with a cube. And extruded cut is the same thing as a box extrude, except you want to cut into something. So you can click a side of the box, and then you go back to sketch, and then you click sketch, and then let's say you want to make a square hole in the box. So you make box. So let's say you Smart Dimension the box. Let's say you want 2.5. And this is also 2.5. And now you go back to features and you click extruded cut. And then you can adjust the dimensions here too, like you did with the box extrude. And say you want 2.5 inches. So you click OK, and what you see is that you're going to see a hole in the box. That's what extrude cut does.